So my Leer topper on my truck here has factory installed electronic locks on it. So when I hit my key fob, it should unlock the topper. And I never carry the keys because the things always work. Well, I live on a dirt road, miles of it. And the other day, I went to go use my topper lock and unlocked it, and I could not unlock it. What happened was dirt got into this mechanism and it would not slide back and forth with the little solenoid that's in here. I took the cover off because I had to modify this thing. This is the mechanism that goes back and forth right here, and I think that position is locked, so, and then this position's unlocked. And what they have here is, just in case you get locked in your vehicle, there's inside the camper shell, there's a emergency opening mechanism. So what I did is I tied a nylon string to it, and I run it to this little rubber grommet that's just sitting up on the rubber sill up behind where the glass meets the camper shell, and it's not visible from the outside, but if you need to, and you get in a pinch situation where the lock's not working, you just grab that little rubber grommet, pull up on it, and it opens the vehicle by pulling the emergency release mechanism up. And people can't see it sitting there, so unless they know it's there, they're not going to be able to open your shell. But it's a nice little mod I made, and I thought I would share it with people. Thanks for watching.